Tim, are you ready for breakfast?
Mommy!
Yes, but my hands feel funny. Funny. Let me see my loom. Oh, Tim, your hands look like they went on an adventure.
Mommy!
How did they get so dirty? Where did these dirty hands come from? Tell me, Timmy, where did they roam? Maybe when I played with all my toys, or when you crawled beneath the bed. Maybe that too, yes I did. Or when you played outside in the sand. Maybe everything, Mommy, everything. Oh. Wash dirty hands, wash dirty hands. Scrub, 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 everybody dance. Wash dirty hands, wash dirty hands. Clean them up so fresh and grand. Tim, what do dirty hands like doing? They like hitting, Mommy. And where do they always hide? In my nails and between my fingers. So how do we chase them away? We scrub them off today. And what sound does the soap make? Foamy, woomy, whoosh. Tut, I hear something, something tiny, something silly. Mommy, what do you hear? I'm the dirty hand monster. Beep, 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 beep. No, you can't stay on my hand. Wash dirty hands, wash dirty hands. Scrub, 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 everybody dance. Wash dirty hands, wash dirty hands. Clean them up so fresh and grand. Tim, how do clean hands feel now? Soft and shiny. And how do they smell, my love? Sweet like soapy breeze. What can clean hands do today? They can eat breakfast. Yay! And can they high-five Mommy? Yes, high-five.